So I'm excited to show you these. This is my Apothecary Reference Chart, and I've also made some cards, and I've got a whole apothecary kit that I wanted to share and show you about what I've been doing. I started doing this about November last year, so what's that, about 10 months ago? And finally finished it a month ago. I just haven't had time to share it because it's been so busy. But there's an Apothecary Reference Chart. This will be a downloadable from the website. It's 13 pages long, so it's quite extensive. It's got 113 herbs in it, and it has the herb, the picture, the gender, the element, the magical uses, which is what we're using in kinesiology, and the physical uses. So there will also be a masterclass that I'll be running at some point, probably next year, to describe and show you how to use this in a clinic setting, because we are not prescribing, we are not handing out the herbs or doing anything like that. It's not for someone to take, it's about the energetic properties, and this is how I use it in a clinic setting. And I'm going to talk to you about how I do this more in a masterclass. I've also made a set of cards of all the different ones, which are just super pretty and just give so much further insight into them and what they mean for the person metaphysically. So that's very much how I'm using it: magically, metaphysically, emotionally, and connecting to the energy of the plant. The other thing that I've done, which took me quite some time, is create an apothecary kit. So I have a full kit of all the 113 herbs. And I have them all in little bottles like this, which I can test from and then use energetically on the body. More to come soon.